Hello and welcome to my channel. Quinoa is a seed, but it's not just any seed. It's a superfood that has been cultivated for thousands of years. It comes from a plant in the Andes Mountains, where it has been grown for over 5,000 years. The harsh conditions of the Andes make quinoa a resilient crop. The Incas called it Chisaya Mama, which means mother of all grains. This name reflects its importance in their culture and diet. Quinoa was a staple in their diet, providing essential nutrients and energy. It was so revered that it was often used in religious ceremonies. For centuries, quinoa was a staple food in South America. It was grown in the high altitudes of the Andes, where few other crops could survive. Then, it was almost forgotten. The arrival of European colonizers led to a decline in quinoa cultivation as they introduced new crops. Now, it is popular again. People are rediscovering quinoa and its many benefits. It's being celebrated in kitchens around the world. They appreciate its taste and nutrition. Quinoa is rich in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. It's a good alternative to rice or couscous. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, which makes it a versatile ingredient for many dishes. This makes it suitable for people with celiac disease. Its versatility and health benefits have made it a favorite among health-conscious individuals. Whether it's used in salads, soups, or as a side dish, quinoa adds a nutritious boost to any meal. Its mild flavor and fluffy texture make it easy to incorporate into various recipes. Today, farmers in the Andes continue to cultivate quinoa, preserving their ancient traditions while meeting the growing global demand. From health food stores to mainstream supermarkets, quinoa is now widely available, making it easier than ever to enjoy this ancient superfood. As more people discover quinoa, its legacy as the mother of all grains continues to thrive, bridging the gap between ancient traditions and modern culinary trends. Quinoa is incredibly nutritious. It is a complete protein. This means it has all 9 essential amino acids. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber. Fiber is important for digestion. It helps us feel full and satisfied. It also contains iron. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Quinoa is rich in magnesium. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Quinoa can be helpful for weight management. Its fiber content promotes satiety. This means it helps you feel fuller for longer. Feeling full can prevent overeating. This can assist with weight loss or maintenance. Quinoa's protein content also contributes to satiety. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates. Including quinoa in a balanced diet can support healthy eating habits. Quinoa is a versatile ingredient. It has a mild, nutty flavor. It can be used in sweet or savory dishes. You can cook quinoa like rice. It makes a delicious side dish. You can also add it to soups, stews, and salads. Quinoa flour is another option. It can be used in baking. It adds a unique texture and nutty taste to baked goods. From breakfast to dinner, quinoa offers endless culinary possibilities. Quick and easy. Incorporating quinoa into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health and culinary adventures. This versatile grain is not only packed with nutrients but also incredibly easy to prepare and incorporate into various meals. Adding quinoa to your diet is simple and can be done in numerous ways. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, quinoa's adaptability makes it a perfect addition to your daily meals. It cooks quickly, typically in about 15 to 20 minutes. Before cooking, make sure to rinse quinoa thoroughly. This step is crucial as it removes any bitterness caused by saponins, a natural coating on the seeds. After rinsing, combine the quinoa with water or broth in a pot. The ratio is usually 1 part quinoa to 2 parts liquid. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the grains are tender and have absorbed the liquid. Once cooked, quinoa can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. This makes it an excellent option for meal prepping, allowing you to have a nutritious base ready for various dishes. This makes it convenient for meal prepping. You can prepare a large batch at the beginning of the week and use it in different meals, saving you time and effort. You can add quinoa to your meals throughout the day. For breakfast, mix it with fruits and nuts for a hearty porridge. At lunch, toss it into salads for added texture and protein. For dinner, use it as a side dish, or even as a base for stir-fries and casseroles. It's a healthy and delicious choice. Quinoa is not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile, making it easy to create a variety of tasty and wholesome dishes. From breakfast bowls to dinner entrees, incorporating quinoa into your daily routine can elevate your meals and boost your overall health. Quinoa for breakfast. A nutrient-rich start to your day. Start your day with quinoa. This ancient grain is packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast. It's a nutritious alternative to cereal. Unlike many processed cereals, quinoa is a whole grain that provides a slow release of energy, keeping you satisfied longer. Cook quinoa with milk and add toppings. You can use any type of milk you prefer, whether it's dairy, almond, or soy milk, to create a creamy and delicious base. Try fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. These toppings not only add flavor but also boost the nutritional value of your breakfast. This creates a wholesome and satisfying breakfast bowl. The combination of textures and flavors makes each bite enjoyable and nourishing. You can also make quinoa porridge. Simply simmer quinoa in milk or water until it reaches a porridge-like consistency. It's similar to oatmeal, but with a unique texture. Quinoa porridge has a slightly nutty flavor and a delightful crunch that sets it apart from traditional oatmeal. Quinoa breakfast bowls provide sustained energy. The high protein content helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing mid-morning energy crashes. They keep you feeling full and focused throughout the morning. With a nutrient-rich start to your day, you'll be ready to tackle any task with clarity and vigor. Quinoa salads: light, refreshing, and packed with goodness. Quinoa salads are perfect for lunch or dinner. They are light, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. Combine cooked quinoa with your favorite vegetables. Add a protein source like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Toss with a light vinaigrette dressing. This creates a flavorful and satisfying salad. Quinoa salads can be customized to your liking. Experiment with different flavor combinations. Quinoa as a side dish. Elevate your meals with this magic seed. Quinoa is a delicious side dish. It complements a variety of main courses. Serve quinoa alongside grilled fish, roasted vegetables, or chicken breast. Its nutty flavor enhances the overall meal. You can flavor quinoa with herbs and spices. Try adding chopped parsley, cilantro, or a pinch of turmeric. Quinoa adds texture and visual appeal to your plate. It elevates the dining experience. Embracing the magic of quinoa, a world of culinary possibilities. Quinoa is more than just a seed. It represents a world of culinary possibilities. From its ancient origins to its modern-day revival, quinoa continues to captivate food enthusiasts worldwide. Embrace the magic of quinoa. Incorporate it into your diet. Experience its health benefits and culinary versatility. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, quinoa offers endless opportunities for creativity in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.